welcome back to my channel. Without I'm saying Crummy with a 41.
Why you little...
So today we're having a build battle between me and my silly brother Crummy with a 41. And the topic is. Wait a minute, I can make you say that. So here we go. Wait 1 minute.
Where the flip are you?
Now the topic
guys,
of our
subscribe, smash that like
excuse
button.
me. The topic is Mordern Waterfall. As written in Mordern Waterfall, we need to build a modern waterfall so much beautiful. So subscribe with my silly brother. So meet you there. So guys, let's start the video with silly brother Hollywood 41 and me. So okay.
I'm running like a poop.
So let me I think so.
You always say in one video poop.
We have got 7 minutes to do it. Okay, so I should set the timer and then we should meet you there. Okay, bye.
Don't subscribe, so I'll be unhappy.
Okay, guys. Here we have 7 minutes time. I'm going to just start the time. Okay, first of all.
Okay.
First of all, I'm going to make you that this one part is going to be complete with a 41 spot. This part where I'm standing, and this will be mine. Okay.
What the topic is?
Mordern Waterfall. So we are going to start it.
What are you?
Okay.
And,
5, 4,
okay.
3,
See you later.
2, 1, and start. Okay, let's go.
So guys,
Okay, guys, let's do fast. I want to make a very modern waterfall, so let's go. Let's do work. Okay, what did I read? Okay, I'm gonna. Oh my god, what should I say? So, right. This and this one and this one. I can hear him. He's doing really quiet.
where's the water bucket?
Okay, so now we are gonna have some.
So,
Okay, just so let's go to do it. We need to do it. We need to do it. We need to do it. So, yep, no.
I have no idea, guys, what I'm building.
Oh, so silly, guys.
What's this?
Okay. I'm gonna make this slab all over so the water cannot flow.
Okay. So it will be like here and here and
I think the water will not flow, right? So, okay, let's do it. This main slabs problem is really very bad. I don't like slabs actually. Okay, here we go.
okay.
Okay.
Serbia.
I know mine is going to be really very good because he's really very bad builder. It's
Yes,
true.
I'm very bad. You silly naughty boy.
But I'm a great builder, so I think I will win. He's really very bad at building, so you
Guys,
cannot
I'm so bad at
appreciate me.
building. Why the flip?
What the flip is going on? So here we go. So guys, now let's build up like this. Right. This is gonna be the great waterfall.
First of all,
Like this, I'm going to.
I think you build a notch head.
Okay. So let's put all the slabs like this here.
Done.
What's not going? Oh God. Okay guys, these slabs are too much bad too. I need to.
Okay, I'm back. So we have just made this cooler and cooler, and
this spot is gonna be white.